Good morning, students. Once again, welcome back to computer class. So, what did we study in our last class? We studied that the hardware components of a computer, they are divided into two. They are external and internal. And we started with the external hardware components. That is, we studied what a monitor is, what a keyboard is, and we studied about mouse, printer. That is where we stopped in our last class. And today we'll be continuing with the rest of the external hardware components. Hope all of you have understood what I have taught you in the last class and also have revised that particular topic. The fifth external hardware component is scanner. What do you mean by a scanner? It helps to scan image or printed text and convert it into digital image. That is, I am having an image or a printed text inside my hand or in a sheet of paper. I want to input that into the computer. And scanner is the one who helps for inputting this into the computer. That is, it will scan this image or printed text and they will get converted into digital image. Okay. This is how we can input the data into the computer. Okay. That is, I'm having or an image or a printed text in a sheet of paper. I want to input it into the computer. Okay. Scanner is the one who helps in doing this. The scanner will scan this image or printed text and it will convert them into a digital image. Okay. And the next point is, it is used to input graphical information into the computer. That is, it gives a graphical information as input to the computer. And scanner has been divided into two types. That is, first one is flat bed scanner and second one is barcode scanner. The two types of scanners, they are flat bed scanner and barcode scanner. So, a scanner, it is being used to scan an image or a printed text and convert them into digital image. And it is used to input graphical information into the computer. The two types of scanners, they are flatbed scanner and barcode scanner. We saw that a scanner has been divided into two types. One is flatbed scanner and another one is barcode scanner. And what do you mean by a flatbed scanner? It has got a flat surface on which the document or image to be scanned is placed. See, in this picture what you see is a flatbed scanner. And inside that you can see an image is being placed. And we have placed that image in a flat surface. Okay. So, a flatbed scanner means it has a flat surface on which we will be placing the documents or the images which are to be scanned. Okay. So, a flatbed scanner means they have got a flat surface and inside that flat surface we will be placing the documents or the images which are to be scanned. That is flatbed scanner. And what do you mean by a barcode scanner? See, in this picture what you see is a barcode. Have any one of you seen this barcode anywhere? That is, whatever packet products we buy from the market. For example, if you are buying a biscuit packet from the shop, behind that biscuit packet you can see this barcode. This barcode means it is a group of vertical lines or bars. That is, we can see this vertical lines or bars inside this barcode. And this barcode, they contain the information of that particular product. For example, it will contain the information like the name of that product, price of that product and so on. And for scanning this barcode, we use a barcode scanner. Okay, we use a barcode scanner for scanning the barcode. And once we scan this barcode, the informations which are present inside this barcode will get displayed inside the computer. So this is about barcode scanner. That is, a barcode means it is a group of vertical lines or bars. These bars, they contain the information about that particular product. A barcode scanner, they scan the barcode and sends the information stored inside in it to the computer. This is about the two types of scanners. The next external hardware component is USB flash drive. The other name for USB flash drive is pen drive. Okay. And what is the definition of this pen drive? It is a reusable storage device. That is, it is a storage device. We can store data inside this device. We can store our documents, our pictures, or any type of data can be stored inside this device. Okay. And next point is, they have different storage capacity. That is, each pen drive, they are of different storage capacities. And the storage capacity range from 4 GB to 512 GB. That is, the smallest range of the storage capacity is 4 GB and highest range is 512 GB. They can store up to 512 GB of data inside them. So this is about USB flash drive or pen drive. The next external hardware component is modem. And for understanding what a modem is, first I have attached a video about how a modem works.
Students, suppose this is computer A and this is computer B. And suppose in both the computers, two friends were sitting and they want to exchange information between them. Okay, they want to send messages to each other. Now how the message will go from computer A to B or B to A? For that, the message need a transmission medium to travel, means a path to travel. The message have to travel through a path to reach its destination, means computer B, and this path is provided by our telephone lines. Okay, so the message that we want to send from our computer, it will go using our telephone lines. But there is a problem, student. What is the problem? The problem is that computer understand only zeros and ones. Okay, but the telephone line, they transmit or they understand only sound or analog signal. Fine. So they transmit the information in the form of analog signals. Okay. Now students, this is the problem, that both the device understand different language. So how they will communicate? So for that, another device is there attached between the computer and the telephone, which is known as modem. Now what is the job of the modem? Modem takes the digital data from the computer and converts it into analog signal. Okay, that analog signal get transmitted through the telephone lines, and at the other end again the modem is attached. Okay, that modem, what does it do? It takes the analog signal from the telephone line, yes, and convert it into digital data. Okay, and provided it to the other computer. Fine, student. So this is what the modem do.
So from that picture, what did you understand? A modem means they will convert digital form into analog form and also analog form into digital form. That is modem. It is a device that converts digital information into analog and vice versa. Vice versa means analog signals into digital signals. Okay. And modem stands for modulator or demodulator. Modulator means converting digital signals into analog signals. Demodulator means converting analog signals into digital signals. Okay. So modem is a device that converts digital information into analog information and vice versa. This is about modem. The last external hardware component is ports. What you see in this picture, it is a port. And with this port, we can connect the computer with the internal or external device. That is, ports means it is a connection point between the computer and an internal or external device. And ports, they are being divided into two types: internal ports and external ports. Internal ports means they are used for connecting devices such as hard drive, CD or DVD drives. And external ports means they are used for connecting devices such as modems, printers, pen drives and so on. Okay, so a port means it is being used for connecting the computer with an internal or external device. That means port acts as a connection point between the computer and internal or external devices. So with this we come to the end of the external hardware components. And I am completing my section today. Please study what I have taught you today. Thank you.